Okay, we're going to have a quick look at user config. So if I select user config and I select ME outputs, I'd just like to point out a few things to you. At the moment we have ME1 output 2 set to a preview of ME1. If I want to change that, I just select the preview area and I can turn that off. So now it's a programmable output. What I'm going to do is just turn that back on. If I go to output 3 on ME1, let's just set that to a clean output. So I'm just going to come down here and turn off all my keys, maybe give it a name, call it clean. There you see it. So ME1 output 3 is a clean output of the ME. Just to highlight, ME2 output 1, you can see here is in red. That is the default output of the mixer. So just be careful of that. Leading on slightly from this is our aux bus area. Our aux bus outputs 1, 2 and 3 should always be locked. You'll see the little lock sign here as a panel lock. For safety, you want to lock the main 3 outputs on the mixer. So in user config, just to point out to you, on the bottom of the row, the third one along is called aux setup. This is where I set up my DSKs. So in addition to my 4 keys per ME, my standard MEs, I have the ability to add 4 more keys by adding my 4 DSKs. So realistically, I could have 8 keys on one ME. Also, I might be able to allocate them onto a clean feed. So I'll just point out to you here. So I'm in aux setup on the bottom, user config, and if I go down to my aux 6, which I've set to my clean feed, I could just maybe set a DSK to sit on that all the time. We have resource linking also, just to remind you, it's user config and it's the 4th button across the bottom, resource linking. Here's where we set up our ME linking, our bus linking and our substitution tables. We're going to look at that in its own module a little later. And also at the very end we have multi-viewers. Now in this we're able to select what we want to put into our multi-viewers either in each individual tile, and we have various generic setups we can add to that.